Kinesis Data Firehose. Amazon Kinesis Data Firehose. 1. Amazon Kinesis Data Firehose is a fully managed service for data streaming. 2. It covers various stages in data streaming including ingestion, storage, processing, and destination delivery. 3. This service offers near real-time streaming ETL, extract, transform, and load, processing suitable for data of any scale and provides the service at a low cost. 4. Amazon Kinesis Data Firehose supports a range of destinations for your streaming data. This includes Amazon services such as Simple Storage Service, S3, Redshift, OpenSearch Service, and OpenSearch Serverless, but it also includes Splunk and any custom HTTP endpoint. Moreover, it can deliver data to endpoints owned by supported third-party service providers, including Datadog, Dynatrace, Logic Monitor, MongoDB, New Relic, Coralogix, and Elastic. 5. Kinesis Data Firehose is part of the larger Kinesis streaming data platform, which also includes services like Kinesis Data Streams, Kinesis Video Streams, and Amazon Kinesis Data Analytics. One of the main advantages of using Kinesis Data Firehose is that there's no need to write applications or manage resources. After configuring your data producers to send data to Kinesis Data Firehose, the service will automatically deliver the data to the destination you've specified. It even has the ability to transform your data before delivering it. High-level overview. Amazon Kinesis Data Firehose is an extract, transform, and load (ETL) service that reliably captures, transforms, and delivers streaming data to data lakes, data stores, and analytics services. Input, logs, clickstreams, IoT, financial data, sales orders, and others. Amazon Kinesis Data Firehose, fully managed ingest, transform, load, ETL, solution with no code required. Output, analyze streaming data using interactive query services, i.e., Amazon Athena, Amazon Redshift Spectrum, or other analytics tools. Data streaming stages. 1. The first stage is data generation, where the process begins with data generated by various sources or producers. 2. The second stage is stream ingestion, where data from tens of thousands of data sources is collected and ingested in real time. 3. The third stage is stream storage, where data is stored in the order received for a set duration. Stream processing. Final stages. 1. Stream processing is when the stored data is analyzed to gain insights, with records always read in the order they are received. 2. Finally, the processed data is sent to a destination such as a data lake, data warehouse, or database for longer-term analysis or auditing. Utilizing Amazon Kinesis Data Firehose for data streaming. 1. Amazon Kinesis Data Firehose simplifies the process of capturing, transforming, and loading streaming data. By creating a delivery stream and selecting a destination, users can start streaming real-time data effortlessly, requiring only a few clicks. 2. With Kinesis Data Firehose, the complexities of provisioning and scaling resources like compute, memory, and network resources are managed automatically. This eliminates the need for ongoing administration and allows users to focus on their data and insights. 3. The service has the capacity to transform raw streaming data into useful formats, such as Apache Parquet. Moreover, it can dynamically partition streaming data, saving the need to build your own processing pipelines. 4. The power of Kinesis Data Firehose is further amplified by its compatibility with over 30 fully integrated AWS services. Furthermore, it supports various streaming destinations such as Amazon Simple Storage Service, S3, and Amazon Redshift, enhancing its versatility and usability. Key terminologies of Amazon Kinesis Data Firehose. 1. Delivery stream, the core component in Kinesis Data Firehose. A delivery stream is responsible for ingesting, buffering, and delivering data. 2. Source, this is where the streaming data originates. In Kinesis Data Firehose, sources can be either Kinesis data streams or other services. 3. Transformation, the process of converting incoming raw data into a more useful and efficient format, often using AWS Lambda. 4. Buffer, a temporary storage area within the Kinesis Data Firehose service where incoming data is held before it's delivered to the destination. 5. Destination, the endpoint to which Kinesis Data Firehose delivers the data. This can be services like Amazon S3, Amazon Redshift, or Elasticsearch. Key features of Amazon Kinesis Data Firehose. 1. Kinesis Data Firehose buffers incoming streaming data for a specific period of time or volume, reducing high storage costs and avoiding small files in Amazon S3. 2. The service can convert the format of your input data from JSON to columnar data formats like Apache Parquet or Apache ORC, saving space and enabling faster queries. 3. Kinesis Data Firehose supports dynamic partitioning, which allows continuous partitioning of streaming data using keys within the data, reducing costs and optimizing performance of analytics queries on Amazon S3. 4. You can configure your stream with a Lambda function in Kinesis Data Firehose to transform incoming source data before delivering it to its destination. 5. Kinesis Data Firehose can be monitored using several Amazon features, including CloudWatch logs and custom metrics, Kinesis Agent, and AWS CloudTrail for logging API calls. Data Flow, S3. 1. Amazon S3 is one of the available destinations where streaming data can be delivered using Amazon Kinesis Data Firehose. Once configured, the data streams will automatically flow into your S3 bucket, offering a seamless method for data ingestion and storage. 2. In cases where data transformation is enabled, there's an additional functionality offered by Kinesis Data Firehose. You have the option to back up the source data to another Amazon S3 bucket. This can be instrumental in maintaining data integrity and ensuring there is always a secondary copy of your source data available. Data Flow, Redshift. 1. When you configure Amazon Redshift as a destination in Kinesis Data Firehose, the service doesn't directly stream data to Redshift. Instead, it first delivers the data to your S3 bucket. From there, Kinesis Data Firehose issues a copy command to Amazon Redshift to load the data from your S3 bucket to your Redshift cluster. This two-step process helps ensure that the data ingestion to Redshift is managed efficiently. 2. If you have enabled data transformation, there's an added advantage with Kinesis Data Firehose. The service allows you to back up the original source data to another S3 bucket. This can be particularly useful if you need to access the original data or for redundancy purposes. Data Flow, OpenSearch. 1. When OpenSearch service is selected as a destination, Kinesis Data Firehose delivers the streaming data directly to your OpenSearch service cluster. This method provides a seamless, straightforward, and efficient way to get your streaming data into OpenSearch service. 2. In addition to direct delivery, there is an option to back up the streaming data concurrently to an S3 bucket. This option provides additional data redundancy and a way to store your original data if necessary, while ensuring that the data is also directed to OpenSearch service. Data Flow, Splunk. 1. With Splunk as a destination, the streaming data from Kinesis Data Firehose is directly delivered to Splunk. This is an efficient and straightforward approach to transfer your data into Splunk for various analysis and visualization tasks. 2. In addition to the direct delivery, Kinesis Data Firehose also offers an option to back up the streaming data to your S3 bucket concurrently. This provides additional data redundancy and allows you to store your original data, while also ensuring that the data is directed to Splunk. Generic HTTP endpoint as a Kinesis Data Firehose destination. 1. This feature enables the use of a fully managed delivery HTTP endpoint, eliminating the need for a custom data delivery infrastructure. 2. The new destination offers opportunities for key integrations to services like DynamoDB, SNS, RDS, and API Gateway. Buffer size and buffer interval. 1. The buffer size and interval are crucial in Kinesis Firehose as it uses these parameters to control the aggregation of incoming data before it is sent to a specified destination. 2. The buffer size for S3 as a destination can vary between 1 and 128 megabytes, while for Elasticsearch, it's between 1 and 100 megabytes. 3. The buffer interval, measured in seconds, could be anything between 60 to 900 seconds. Buffering and data format conversion with Kinesis Data Firehose. 1. Kinesis Data Firehose buffers incoming streaming data for a specified period or volume before delivering it to its destination, helping to avoid small files in Amazon S3 and reduce storage costs. 2. Kinesis Data Firehose can convert the format of input data from JSON to Apache Parquet or ORC, which are columnar data formats that save space and enable faster queries. 3. If input data is in a format other than JSON, such as CSV or structured text, an inline AWS Lambda function can be used to transform it to JSON first. Dynamic partitioning and Lambda transformation with Kinesis Data Firehose. 1. Kinesis Data Firehose supports dynamic partitioning, enabling continuous partitioning of streaming data using keys within the data for optimized performance and cost reduction. 2. The data is delivered, grouped by these keys, into corresponding Amazon S3 prefixes, reducing the amount of data scanned during queries. 3. Kinesis Data Firehose allows you to configure your stream with a Lambda function to transform incoming source data before delivering it to its destination. Thanks for watching.